Let's go ahead and take a look at this 2022 Patriot Edition travel trailer. We'll do a quick walk through the outside so you can get a good look. She's in great shape. Take a quick peek at the information here. A little bit closer. If you need more of that information, just let me know. We bought this specifically to pretty much live in for 2 months last year, or 2 summers ago, while our daughter went through cancer treatment. We live about 8 hours away from her at the time, and we needed to be able to be close, so we purchased this and stayed in that for the 2 months while she was going through treatment. It was a wonderful stay, very comfortable. Take a look there. We got the reverse backup camera, luggage rack. This is the door that goes to the back of the camper where the bunks were. Take a quick peek at some of the features here. Base camp package, campfire package, outdoor speaker, outlet. Picture the tires. The steps fold in. Got the screen door. You walk in. That's a jackknife couch, so it folds down. It's actually really quite comfortable. There's storage underneath it as well. Storage underneath the bed, as well as the cabinets around the bed. Ample storage in this travel trailer. Got the curtain to close that off. I love my little sign there, so that'll stay. Beautiful sink with the faucet. Microwave, gas stove, oven. Take a quick peek in the sink here. It's got that farmhouse style. Flooring, there's of course that dinette turns into a bed as well. Storage under the seats. All the tank information. You've got the thermostat up top, the radio at the bottom. Storage up top. Big beautiful window there. All the window coverings are great condition. Cable and an outlet. It's pretty much brand new. Everything looks great in working order. Just had it maintenance. It's still winterized. A really good size freezer and refrigerator for a travel trailer. We were very impressed with how much we could actually fit in there. The back right corner of the travel trailer is the bathroom. Corner sink, the little wood buckets or shelves we put in there just for extra storage. Good ample storage up top there. There's also storage below the sink. I did not show that. We changed out the shower head, so, for cleaning purposes, just easier. There was a shampoo, conditioner, and body wash dispenser on the wall as well that we added. In the back here, this is where the bunks were. Now, before you say, I can't believe you took out the bunks, this, because it was just the two of us, provided ample space that we so needed for those 2 months. I mean, you could put an air mattress back here if you want to have more sleeping room, which is actually more comfortable than the bunks themselves. But we used it pretty much for like a changing area, a pantry, storage. It was so amazing. And then the door that opens up down there. Sorry, I'm a little late on the voiceover part of that, but that had that hatch back there. We could load all of our groceries from outside into that pantry area without having to lug them all over the place. It was so easy and so convenient. Ample storage for clothing. And again, there's more storage under the bed. So yeah, there's a phone charging outlet on each